Hey guys, my name's Marty, this is Tentworld Brendale, and today I'm going to be showing you how to mount a battery box from Engel onto the TSL27 slide lock from Engel using the battery box slide kit, which I have in front of us right here. Okay, firstly what I'll do is I'll actually go through all the packs themselves just to show you what we get. In the TSL27 pack you get the two-piece slide lock. It just actually fits together by the two clips in the inside and then just sort of slot together. You also get the 4 feet. You get 4 mounting screws which just drop straight into here and can be screwed straight into any sort of wooden surface. You also get 4 extra mounting screws with washers for the feet if the screws that come with the fridge don't fit exactly. With the actual battery box set itself, the mounting set itself, you get these 2 mounting plates, 8 screws, 4 nuts, 8 washers, and 4 of the locking washers as well. You'll also need a number 10 spanner and an Allen key that we've just got mounted onto the screwdriver. Okay, for the first step what we're going to do is we're actually going to mount the feet to the brackets themselves. So we just obviously need one of the brackets. I'll grab one of the feet, I'll grab one of the washers, one of the nuts, one of these washers, and one of the self-locking washers. So with these here, there's a bit of a trick to them. If you just want to come in nice and close, I find that if you just put the washer on the nut first, self-locking washer, drop it in to the center of the foot, this whole thing should just feed straight in here, like that, and then you can put the nut on the other side. Now obviously use the spanner and the screwdriver to tighten it up. Now that I've actually mounted the 4 feet onto the brackets, we're now going to mount the whole brackets onto the actual battery box itself. So if you look at the bottom of the battery box, there's actually 4 screws that are already pre-mounted into it. And all we're going to do is just use the washers to create a bit of a spacer on either side like that. And then these just mount straight on using the screws provided. So I just dropped it in there. And this one on here. Yep, too easy. Okay, now that I've mounted all 4 feet to the 2 plates and the 2 plates to the actual battery box itself, we're ready to actually mount the battery. So pretty much what I'm going to do is just flip it over, move it out of the way. The slide lock itself will obviously at this point be mounted into wherever you need it to be mounted to, like in the back of your 4-wheel drive or in your camper trailer, wherever you want it. And what you do is these feet, they just sit inside this, and as the name suggests, it just slides and locks, like that. So there is a button on the back here. If you press that, it will drop the little pin and then let the slide lock come back out again. But other than that, that should be well and truly mounted. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Till next time.